My Christmas Wish to You by Catherine Pulisfer. If I could wish a wish for you, it would be for peace, faith, and happiness, not only at Christmas, but for the whole year through. I wish that there would always be food on your table that you could always give to the less fortunate. May you always take time to share and to thank those who have blessed you. I wish for time so that you may reflect on the blessings that you have and that you express your love to those who are dear to you. May you never feel lonely because there are those who care, and that you realize you are special. You are unique. You make a difference not only at Christmas, but all year. I wish for your thoughts to be positive ones, that you never quit, that you never give up, and that you continue to learn. I wish for the love and peace of God to be yours always.